Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I will be showing you how to read data from an Excel file in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you have data in an Excel file, but you're more used to working and doing data analysis in Python. I know I definitely am, and so I obviously always prefer to just convert my data and read it in Python. And so I will be showing you how to read data from an Excel file in Python today. Be sure to check the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. To get started, first you just need to make sure that you upload your Excel file. So mine is over here. I'm just going to copy it to make it easier for later. That's my file. You just upload it. Go here in Jupyter Notebook. So one thing that we're going to need is pandas. Pandas is the library that will allow us to read our Excel file, or generally most files, but today we're focusing on Excel. So yeah, let's get started. I'm just going to assign my data to data equals 2, and now we're going to use pandas to say pd.read. And since we're reading the Excel file, you just say Excel and now just paste or write out your file name, and that's essentially it. Let's just print this to see what we have. And yeah, that is exactly what is in my Excel file. It obviously doesn't print all of the data because there's 143 rows, but this is it. Now, generally, this doesn't do much. You can't really do anything with this. So what I prefer to do and what I usually do is I convert my columns to lists. Now, what you need to do this is your column name, right? So to be able to do this, let's see, I'll say angle equals 2. So I want these values over here in the form of a list. So I'm just going to say angles equals 2. Now this data, my data set, and now I'm just going to put the name of the column there, right? And now I'm just going to say dot to list, which will convert all of this data, all of the rows here in the form of a list. So if I print that now and run that, there you have it. That is all 143 values in the form of a list, and that makes it very easy for data analysis. And essentially that is it. Obviously, if you have more than one sheet in your Excel file, what you can do when you read it, if you just leave it like this, actually this line, then it will read all of your data. But if you don't want that, then what you can do, if you want to just read specific sheets, then you will just say sheet name equals 2 and the sheet name, and you type that out. And the same thing with columns. If you don't want all the columns that are available there, what you do is you just say use calls equals 2, and you just put in the columns separated by commas, obviously. And that's basically it. I don't really have a sheet. I don't have more than one sheet here, so I don't need this. And for columns, I only have 2, so I feel like that's enough. I don't really need that for this file, but sometimes you would, and that is how you would do that. And there you have it, guys. If you wanted to know how to read data from an Excel file in Python, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.